our brand new number is here. This is number 16. Can you say 16? But why it is called 16? Can you figure it out? Yeah, because this is 1 and 6 together. When 1 and 6 together, then these are called 16. 16. Yeah, its spellings are also so easy. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Can you repeat after me? S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. This is number 16. Oh, these are so beautiful tricycles. Do you like these tricycles? These are so beautiful and colored. Do you
ride
cycle? Yeah, these are cycles. But how many cycles are these? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Yeah, this is our number 16. These are 16 bikes. How many bicycles, tricycles are these? 16. Yeah, these are 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. These are 16 cycles. S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. These are 16 cycles, and this is our number 16. This is our next number 17. 17. Why it is called 17? Can you figure it out? Yeah, because 7 comes with 1. 1 and 7 together are called 17. This is number 17. What does it called? 17. Yes, its spellings are also so easy. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. This is number 17, and its spellings are S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. This is number 17. These are so beautiful birds. So colorful and beautiful birds are sitting on string. Wow, so beautiful and colored birds. But how many birds are these? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. And this is our number 17. Wow, these are 17 birds. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. These are 17 words. SEVENTEEN. 17. And this is number 17. Our next number is 18. Why it is 18? Can you see? Here is 8 with 1. When 1 and 8 comes together, it is called 18. 18. This is number 18. Yeah. EIGHTEEN. 18. First we say 8 and then we add in 18. This is number 18. EIGHTEEN. 18. This is number 18. Flowers. Wow, its fragrance is so good, so colorful and beautiful flowers. Do you like flowers? Yeah, these are so beautiful flowers. But how many flower pots are these? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. These are 18 flower pots. Wow, so beautiful flowers. And we spell 18 as EIGHTEEN. 18. This is number 18. And let's count together again these flower pots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. This is our number 18. And spellings are EIGHTEEN. 18. This is number 18. Very good. This is our next number 19. This is 19. And now it is so simple. Why it is 9? Because 9 comes with 1. Whenever 1 and 9 comes together, this is called 19. This is 19. And spellings are also so easy. NINETEEN. 19. Can you say after me? NINETEEN. 19. This is number 19. Oh, what is this? Do you know what are these? These are so beautiful fishes in sea. Do you like fishes? Wow, fishes live in sea. These are so beautiful colored smiley fishes. But how many fishes are these? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. This is our number 19. It's mean these are 19 fishes. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. These are 19 fishes, and 19 spells N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. This is our next and last number, 20. This is number 20. Can you say 20? This is number 20 and its spellings are T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Can you say again? T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. This is number 20. 20. This is so beautiful wall shelf. What is into this shelf? Yes, these are tablets. We play videos on tablet. These are so cute tablets. But how many tablets are these? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This is our number 20. It's mean these are 20 tablets. Wow! T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. These are 20 tablets. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. These are 20 tablets, and this is number 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. We have learned from 16 to 20. Let's revise these numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's count from 1 to 20 last time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and this is our last number, 20. So this was all for today. We will see you in next video. Till that time, bye bye. Take care of yourself and your mama and baba and your siblings. Allah Hafiz.